Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You ever buy bookshelf speakers that promise detail, but all you get is thin sound that disappears the second you turn the volume down? Yeah, that's not the case here. Before we get started, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. These Klipsch RP-600M reference Premier speakers keep going out of stock every time the price dips. I've been running these in my setup for a few weeks now, and honestly, they've reminded me why people still fall in love with passive speakers. The energy, the clarity, that live-in-the-room feeling. It's all here. Even at low volume, they sound full and dynamic, like you're sitting front row at a private concert. Inside, you've got a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter loaded into Klipsch's signature hybrid Tractrix horn, and a 6.5-inch spun copper cerametallic woofer that hits tight, articulate bass without needing a sub, paired with a solid amp. Something around 75 to 150 watts per channel. These open up beautifully. You get crisp vocals, wide soundstage, and that trademark Klipsch punch that makes drums and guitars jump out. Quick reminder. Check the link below before the Ebony finish runs out. Klipsch's premium lines rotate fast, and restocks can take months. Build quality is what you'd expect from their reference Premier series, dense MDF, internally braced, rear-firing Tractrix port, and magnetic grills. They look gorgeous. That mix of modern black veneer with copper drivers just commands attention. I've used them for music, gaming, and movie nights. They handle it all. Stereo imaging stays locked in, and the highs stay smooth even at higher SPLs. They're basically the sweet spot between studio accuracy and cinematic fun. If you're someone who values pure, lively sound over DSP processed fluff, this pair nails it. Pros. Checkmark wide, detailed soundstage with rich mid-range. Checkmark tight, punchy bass for their size. Checkmark premium build with gorgeous copper cones. Checkmark easy to drive, works with mid-range amps. Checkmark iconic Klipsch clarity and dynamics. Cons. Crossmark rear port needs a bit of wall clearance. Crossmark slightly forward treble if paired with bright amps. If you want bookshelf speakers that actually feel alive, not polite or compressed, the RP-600M are still the benchmark. Click the first link below right now to see if they're still discounted, because when Klipsch runs a sale, they don't last. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and grab that deal before it's gone. This might be your best sounding upgrade of the year.